As Apple has launched its new flagship phone models this year, it has pledged to bring a revolutionary change into its ecosystem. Bringing a stunning innovation is just the beginning for now, where the users now will face a new challenge in changing their usual smartphone using habits. With its all-new series of accessories, including a magnetic charger that has replaced the traditional charging system, these essentials have made our lives easier than ever by delivering an immersive user experience. In today's video, we are going to show you magnetic accessories for iPhone 12 that you should have. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Presenting the MagSafe Duo Charger from Apple, a smart magnetic charger with a unique and compact design that delivers power supply to your multiple Apple devices simultaneously. Featuring a dock-style design that can charge both your latest iPhone and Apple Watch at the same time without any waiting, so you can get efficient juice for your Apple devices. You can also fold this smart charger, which converts into a nightstand, allowing you to charge one device at a time so it can efficiently and quickly juice up your smart device. This Duo Charger comes with Qi certified device charging support, so that not only can you charge your Apple devices, but it also allows you to charge up non-Apple products as well. Its casing and hinge are made of soft touch rubber material with a press molded design that can comfortably fold the charger, allowing you to have a premium user experience. Designed to provide a smart battery charging facility, the MagSafe Duo Charger is your ultimate wireless companion for fulfilling your everyday smart devices charging needs. Keep your smartphone stable and get navigations to your destination with a MagSafe car vent mount from Belkin, a car charger that keeps your smartphone alive. This smart car mount charger features a high-quality ball joint which makes it easy to rotate your smartphone whether in portrait or landscape mode, so that you can use your smartphone for navigating maps, setting your playlist, and many more. Its intuitive cable management system ensures your smartphone to be always within reach, delivering you with smart and efficient charging while providing you a safe driving experience. Made of high-quality base, which is supported by a vent clip, this car mount charger ensures that it always sticks to your car vent and keeps your phone safe and steady, preventing it from sudden drop-offs and bumps. The Belkin MagSafe Car Vent Mount Pro is an essential car gadget that effectively provides battery backup to your smartphone without breaking a sweat. Get optimum protection for your iPhone with a magnetic case from Pitaka that safeguards your smartphone from damages without adding bulk to your smartphone. This magnetic phone case is made of aerospace-grade aramid fiber with a scratch-resistant synthetic material, which adds a durable layer of protection for your smartphone. Protect your smartphone camera with its elevated rings, which provides durable safety from scratches, bumps, and other accidental damages, while its slim, form-fitting design covers full compatibility with 2D and 2.5D screen protectors. It features a 3D grip technology that levels the textured pattern on the surface so that you can hold your iPhone with ease in any weather or outdoor conditions. Its cut-precise design allows you to access easily to its buttons, switches, and charging port pretty easily without putting pressure on them. Besides this, it has embedded metal strips that ensure a seamless wireless charging facility for your latest iPhone. The Pitaka magnetic phone case is the ultimate protector for your latest iPhone and assures to provide durable protection with a stylish outlook. Keep your bank cards and other essentials with a leather wallet for your iPhone that enhances the beauty of your smartphone by smartly attaching to the back of your smartphone. This leather wallet is made of specially tanned and finished European leather with strong built-in magnets that ensures easy attachment on the back of your iPhone. It comes with a MagSafe compatible product material which allows you to charge your smartphone wirelessly without even putting off this leather wallet. You can keep up to 3 cards, including your credit cards and ID card on this wallet so that you don't have to look for them just the moment you need them. Give your iPhone a stylish outlook with a card holder functionality with the iPhone leather wallet with MagSafe that enhances the beauty of your smartphone. Add a new dimension to charging your iPhone 12 wirelessly with the MagSafe Charger that smartly juices up your smartphone in an innovative style. This magnetic charger comes with perfectly aligned magnets that smartly attaches to the back of your iPhone and provides fast wireless charging for up to 15 watts. It connects effectively via a power source with a USB Type-C cable that gives your iPhone a clean, safe battery power backup for longer usage time. It also comes with Qi charging compatibility that not only charges the latest iPhone models but can support any iPhone models with Qi certified charging. The MagSafe Charger gets you a clean, safe, efficient power supply for your iPhone that replaces the traditional phone charging system for enhancing battery charging experience. So that was our list for magnetic accessories for iPhone 12 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.